Hello students, I'm your teacher for today and my name is Anupma Singh. You are watching the Koi Moi Bollywood show. And in today's class, we'll be discussing about Bollywood Box Office Report Card 2014. So I'm going to tell you about my students who performed really good, who really disappointed me, who is flopping, who is becoming super hit, everything in this class we are going to discuss. So let's start. So I'll be talking about my one of very favorite student who really impressed me in 2013, and that is Ranveer Singh. I just loved his films Ram Leela and Lutera also. But this year in 2014 he really disappointed me. I mean really Kill Dil is a film you were doing. Gunde somewhere was okay, but I'm still disappointed because I consider you a very good student. That means a very good performer. But I excuse you this time because you're coming up with some good films, that is Bajirao Mastani, and there are more in the list. So you are excused this time. So while I talk about Ranveer Singh, every time I talk about Ranveer Singh, the next actor who comes to my mind is Arjun Kapoor. Vikram Bala from Gunde, of course you remember. So we'll be talking about Arjun Kapoor. Ranveer Singh disappointed me, but I'm highly impressed with Arjun Kapoor. He is bang on this year. His film Two States has done 100 crore business. I mean he's really working hard and doing very good. Very good Arjun Kapoor. I am very much impressed with you. So moving on, let's see how Karan Johar's Student of the Year have performed. Starting with Siddharth Malhotra. He got two releases, Hasi To Fasi and Ek Villain. You know what, I'm really impressed with Siddharth Malhotra because in his first film we saw him this intense chocolate looking guy, but in Hasi To Fasi he showed his versatility, and in Ek Villain he came out as an action hero, and also his film entered in the 100 crore club. So I'm very impressed with the Student of the Year Siddharth Malhotra. And moving on to Varun Dhawan. Varun Dhawan, he is turning out as a complete entertainer, you know. He's a very good dancer, very good comedian. His films are doing very good. Main Tera Hero and Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania was treat to watch. So I'll give thumbs up to both the Student of the Year, and they are doing so good that we can actually say that they are the Student of the Year 2040. In the Gen Next category, the student who impressed me the most is Tiger Shroff. It was his first year as in this year he got his first release. He debuted this year and he performed so good with Hero Panti. His movie did so well. He really impressed the audience. So thumbs up for Tiger Shroff, and we are looking forward. Hopefully you perform so good in all the coming years. So best wishes. So now we'll be talking about the senior actors, and let's see how their report card looks like in 2014. We'll start with Imran Hashmi. Yes, the serial kisser Imran Hashmi. You know, after Dirty Picture, we had really high expectations with Imran. But Imran, what films you did this year? Raja Natwarlal. When that film came, I don't even remember. Though only looked a bit promising, but it didn't do well at the box office. You are a senior actor and I think you should do a good film, Imran, and also because we really expect a good performance from you. Hopefully you will do good in 2015, so best of luck to you. After Imran, we'll be talking about the chocolate boy, Shahid Kapoor, but this year in 2014, Shahid is no more looking like a chocolate boy. He's turning out to be a more mature actor, you know, a very good performer. His film Heather didn't do that well at the box office, but his performance has been really appreciated. So just because he's working really hard on himself and he's giving very good performances, we'll give him the benefit of doubt and we'll still appreciate his report card for 2014. So in the Bollywood report card, now we'll be talking about the Anari and the Khiladi. Yes, you guessed it right. We are talking about the Chote Nawab and the Khiladi Akshay Kumar. Let's start with Chote Nawab. I mean, he has really disappointed me in 2014 because Hum Shakals, how he can do a film like Hum Shakal. Chalo, we'll spare you for this film because Sajid, he's really disappointing everybody, so we'll spare you for that. But happy ending, we had really high expectations with the film. We really liked the trailer, but what happened with the film? Chalo Chode Nawab, we'll excuse you for 2014, but 2015 you have to perform really good because we want to give you a thumbs up. And I think your film Phantom, which is coming with Kabir Khan and Katrina Kaif, you do some magic and next time we want to appreciate you. And from Chote Nawab, we'll be moving on to the Khiladi of Bollywood, Akshay Kumar. Though Akshay is a Khiladi, he should win, and he always wins as well, but this year, in 2014, he really disappointed me. Though his film Holiday entered in 100 crore club, but his other two releases, that is The Entertainment and The Shaukeens, were really disappointing. People were really thinking that what made you do those films? They were really disappointing, but Akshay, we expect a lot from you, and you are a very good performer. You've been in the race for so long. So this year in 2015, your film Baby is coming, and a whole lot of films are coming from your end, like always. So we hope that you perform really good and you win the chart and you comes at the top. Okay Akshay, do well. Next in the senior actor category, I'll be talking about two stars whose film were really created a big hype. They were really well promoted and people were expecting them to be a big super duper hit films. They did only a fair business. Fair business, not as much as they were promoted. I'm talking about the two stars, Hrithik Roshan and Ajay Devgan. So let's talk about Hrithik Roshan. He came up with Bang Bang. Though we thought like Bang Bang is going to be really bang on the box office, but the film only did 100 crore business and we were expecting really more because the film seems like it's going to do amazing business, but not as much as expected. So Hrithik, please meet our expectations. Moving on to the Ajay Devgan. Ajay Devgan released Singham Return was so much hyped, so much promoted that we thought that this film was going to create a history. But this film again just maintained the 100 crore club, which is nothing new for Ajay Devgan. So Ajay, we are really expecting you to perform good and please enter to the next club, 200, 300 or create some new club. Come on boy. You can do that. And in the senior category, we'll be talking about the three Khans. Come on yaar, you guys been ruling the chart from 90s to 2000 and I think you will be keep on entertaining us because even this year the three Khans, they are ruling the chart. Especially Amir, my boy, I'm so impressed with you. Your movie PK really touched everybody's heart and 300 crore business, awesome. But I'm sure my other two students, my amazing, the most favorite, Shah Rukh and Salman, they won't stop and they'll work really hard to break Amit's record. So let's see, they break Amit's record or they create a new record. Whatever is there, I just want to tell all my students, I love you all and I just wish you all to perform so good because I just love you and I want to come and say all good things about you and give you thumbs up. And if you want to give me thumbs up, you just have to subscribe. And if you have any query, question, any doubt about the report card or any student, any of my students you like, so please tell me about that in the comment below. And for more and more, keep on watching the Koi Moi Bollywood show and subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscribe. So just because he's working really hard on himself and we'll still appreciate his report card for 2014. और कुछ याद आ रहा है? यूपी का भी नाम ले दूँ? 2014 में फिल्म Bang Bang, we performed recently in Dance on Swing, 200 crore, another feather.